Okay, so we've dewormed the puppies twice with Panicure, which is a 3-day. Now we're going to give them a 1-day, which is Pyrental. And this is their weights. Envy's 2 pounds 6 ounces. Prince Charming 3 pounds 2 ounces. Ariel 2.4. When I say 0.4, that's ounces. So Debo is 2.14, which is 2 pounds 14 ounces. Jackie is 2.9, Cooper 2.6, Ubi 2 pounds 12 ounces, Snow White 2.12, Ryder 2.3, Ollie 2.12, Cotton 3.2, Tucker 3 pounds, Snow 2.8, Dash 3 pounds, and Casper 3 pounds, and Dash 2.4. So that is everybody's weight as of Thursday, January